Guys, so on my way to swap my my summer tires. I'm driving the summer in snow, as you can see. Oh man, I have to go like travel like 19 miles per hour because I don't want to mess up. And I have to really take my time to take an exit or something. So as you can see, I think this is my my destination. So all right, this is where I'm coming to get my tires swapped. See if I can find parking. Maybe not. I don't know. This is the front door. Oh well. So, I was able to get an appointment today at 3 p.m. to be able to swap these tires out. I still have the summer tires on. And look at the roads, man. It's terrible, but pretty much the summer tires can drive in snow, but not ice. If there was ice or a little bit of ice on the road, I'll be screwed. But the good thing was, like, I was able to get an appointment within this short period of time, you know, to be able to pretty much swap my tires out, because everybody's like booked out like 2 weeks, and I'm grateful that I was able to get an appointment today. And I did set up 2 appointments just in case if I wasn't able to get an appointment today and tomorrow. So right now I'm good. I'm in good shape. I have the appointment set up, so that's pretty good. Yeah, it is crazy out here, guys. It is crazy out here. Look at that. Look at all that snow. It is crazy out here. But the good thing is the summer tires is really doing pretty well. So I won't dispute it. It's doing pretty well. That I won't dispute it. But if there's a little bit of ice, it loses its traction, you know? So, like, you can hear it, like, losing its traction. But it is what it is. Able to get an appointment, that's good stuff. So I'm glad I was able to get this appointment today. Okay, we came home at 60%. Let me turn off this fan. Well, you guys can see, still driving on summer tires, but it's pretty good. A little bit of trash in here and there, but it's kind of good. And you can see the PPF, where it's like protected, you know. It's pretty good. Check out the front. Front PPF is good. Yeah, you can see the dirt. Yeah. You see the dirt a little bit. Yep. All right, folks. So all right, guys. Yeah, let's go in before we catch any frostbite.